In this video, we will talk about outliers. A data set should be checked for extremely high and extremely low values. These values are called outliers. An outlier is an extremely high or low data value when compared with the rest of the data values. An outlier can strongly affect the mean and standard deviation of a variable, so they are called non-resistant statistics. The median and interquartile range are less affected by outliers, so they are called resistant statistics. The procedure for identifying outliers: first, arrange the data in order from lowest to highest, and then find Q1 and Q3. And I'll just tell you right off the bat, we're not going to use our same traffic violation data again. Then we find the interquartile range, multiply it by 1.5. Subtract the value obtained in step 3 from Q1 and add it to Q3, and then check the data set for any data value less than Q1 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range, or greater than Q3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. So here is an example. We're going to check this data set for outliers. We've got 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 22, and 50. These are already in numeric order, so we don't have to worry about that. But there's that 50 at the end, which seems like it might be an outlier since the next largest value is less than half of that. So we find Q1 and Q3. Q2 is 16.5. You know what? I made a mistake there. It's actually, we don't even need Q2, but Q2 is actually halfway between 13 and 15, so Q2 would be 14. But anyway, we don't need that for this. We just take our first 4 values and our last 4 values, and we find the medians of those. So the median of 5, 6, 12, 13 is going to be halfway between 6 and 12, which is 9, and that's Q1. And the median of 15, 18, 22, 50 is halfway between 18 and 22, so that's 20. The interquartile range is the difference between 20 and 9, so that's 11. And 1.5 times the interquartile range is 16.5. Then 9 minus 16.5 is negative 7.5, and 20 plus 16.5 is 36.5. So we look for values that are less than negative 7.5 and greater than 36.5. Well, the smallest value is 5, which is certainly greater than negative 7.5. But 50 is certainly greater than 36.5, so 50 is an outlier.